172 page. 172 page.
172 page. Nested loop and labels. You can nest loop to multiple labels. Use labels to distinguish between block and loops. Exit the outer loop with the exit statement that reference the label. Nested loop, gote loop bhitere au gote loop jodi use koruchi takku nested loop. जेमते हमें लैंग्वेज जेमते हमें यूज करथले एथि सिस्टम हमर नेस्टेड लूप अछि नेस्टेड लूप जेतरा तुम यूज करछ इनर लूप ता प्रथमे एग्जीक्यूट हबो सेटा एग्जीक्यूट हे साला परे सॉरी आउटर लूप ता प्रथमे एग्जीक्यूट हबो तापर तमर इनर लूप ता एग्जीक्यूट हबो इनर लूप ता जेतरा तमर फॉल्स हे कि एग्जिट हबो देन तमर अगेन तमर आउटर लूप ता एग्जीक्यूट हबो you can nest the for while and basic loop within one character. The termination of a nested loop does not terminate the enclosing loop unless an exception is raised. However, you can the label loop and exit the outer loop with the exit statement. Label names follows the same rule as the other identifiers. A label is placed before a statement either on the same line or on a separate line. White space is insignificant in all PLSQL parsing except inside literals. Label basic loop by placing the label before the word loop within the label delimiter. In for, the and while loop, place the label before for and while. If the loop is labeled, the label name can include it optionally after the end loop statement for clarity. Next loop lekha eti moro label mention karai chi to eti moro eya no je moro mane kon kon taku language रे हमें loop रा body mention से बोले हमें जाने पड़ছে कोटा मोर outer loop कोटा मोर inner but एठी मोर body नहीं बिना body रे हमें ताकू loop टाकू execution तो सेति पाए मते indicate करिया पई कोटा मोर outer loop कोटा मोर inner loop मोर mention करिया पई ता पे मते label outer label and inner label for example जेमते एठी देछि begin outer loop एटा ए loop ता होछ मोर outer loop v underscore counter equal to v underscore counter plus 1 exit when v underscore counter is greater than 10 ए outer loop ता केतळे exit हबो जेतळे तमरो counter ता greater than 10 जेतळे हबो सेटा मोर सेटा exit हबो inner loop तार body देला exit outer loop when total done is yes. Label both loops. Exit when inner loop is yes. Leave inner loop only. End loop inner loop. Then the last tomorrow and outer loop tomorrow. In the example in the slide, there are two loops. The outer loop is identified by the label outer loop, and the inner loop is identified by the label inner loop. The identifiers are placed before the word loop within label delimiter. The inner loop is nested within the outer loop. The label names are included after the end loop statement for clarity.
Yes, sir.
PLSQL continue statement जेमति हमरो language continue थिला सेमिति एठी भी हमरो continue statement हमरो अछि. The continue statement मोर कोन definition adds the functionality to begin the next loop iteration, provides programmers with the ability to transfer control to the next iteration of a loop. Use parallel structure and semantic to the exit statement. Benefit is the program process may provide a small performance improvement over the previous programming work around to simulate the continue statement. PLSQL continue statement. The continue statement enables you to transfer control within a loop back to a new iteration or the leave the loop. May other programming language have this functionality. with the Oracle Database 11G release. PLSQL also offer this functionality before the Oracle Database 11G release. You could put a workaround by using the Boolean variable and conditional statement to simulate the continued programmatic functionality. In some cases, the workaround are less efficient. The continue statement offers you to simplify it, means to control loop iteration. It may be more efficient than the previous coding workaround. The continue statement is commonly used to filter data within a loop body before the main processing begins. जेमती हमर लैंग्वेज थला कंटिन्यू स्टेटमेंट फ्लो ऑफ कंट्रोल टा कंटिन्यू करिया पे मोर कंटिन्यू स्टेटमेंट यूज करा जाय तो एठी मोर कंटिन्यू स्टेटमेंट टा सेम फंक्शनलिटी तमर एठी यूज
Yes, sir.
PLSQL continue statement, for example, declare what a variable declare kala v underscore total simple integer 0 assign kala begin for I 1 to 10. तमरा रेंज मोर जीवो एग्जीक्यूशन हबो 1 to 10 जाय एग्जीक्यूशन हबो लूप v underscore total equal to v underscore total plus I dbms underscore output dot put underscore line total is total display kala continue when I is greater than to 5 display कला पर चेक करिवो से जदि मोर I greater than to 5 अछि पुन थरे सेटा कंटिन्यू करिवो कोन v underscore total equal to v underscore total plus I remembers the underscore output dot put underscore line display कला end loop तो एटा होची तारा आउटपुट बुझला
Yes, sir.
In the example, there are two assignments using the v underscore total variable. The first assignment is executed for each of the 10 iteration of the loop. The second assignment is executed for the first 5 iteration of the loop. The continue statement transfer control within a loop back to a new iteration. So far, the last 5 iteration for the loop, the second total assignment is not executed. The end result of the total variable is 70. PLSQL continue statement, for example, to declare v underscore total number equal to 0, and then begin before top loop for I in I 1 to 10 loop v underscore total equal to v underscore total plus I dbms underscore output dot put underscore line display color for j. I would loop similar. For j in I 1 to 10 loop continue before when I plus j is greater than to 5. It is a before unused block completed. It is a execution. A discussion.
Yes, sir.
You can use the continue statement to jump to the next iteration on of an outer loop. To do this, provide the outer loop a label to identify where the continue statement should go. The continue statement in the innermost loop terminates that loop whenever the when condition is true. Just like the exit keyword, after that innermost loop is terminated by the continue statement, control transfer to the next iteration of the outermost loop label before top loop in this example. When this pair of loop complete, the value of the total variable is 20. You can also use the continue statement within an inner block of code which does not contain a loop as long as the block is nested inside the appropriate outer loop. The restriction, the continue statement cannot appear outside the outside a loop at all. This generates a compiler error. You must use the continue statement to pass through a procedure function or method boundaries. This generation is compiler error. Valida, there are 3 types of loop: basic, for, and while. True or false?
True.
Huh?
True.
True. Satata. True. working with composite data type. After completing this lesson, you should be able to the following: describe PLSQL collection and records, create user-defined PLSQL records, create a PLSQL record with the percentile row type attribute, create associative array, index by table and index by table of records. Introducing composite data type. Composite data type कौन देखो? Composite data type can hold multiple values, unlike scalar types. Are of two types: PLSQL records and PLSQL collection. Inside the PLSQL collection, associative array, index by table, nested table, and var tamara PLSQL collection रे tamara अच्छी से, right? तो जमते array tamara हुए जमते language जमते हुए, it is a similar type of more than and data को गोटे group पे रखिया पे मते array declaration करा जाए. Similarly, तमरा एठी भी तमरा same जिनसो तमरा अच्छी. And nested table भी अच्छी, गोटे table भीतर आउ गोटे table भी तमे create कर परिबो, या फिर गोटे table सहित आउ गोटे different table सहित तमे link कर परिबो, ताको जे nested tables. var रे तमरा अच्छी गोटे जिनसो सेटा तमरा केमिति variable array तमरा declaration हुए ताको जे var array.
Yes, sir.
You learn that variable of the scalar data type can hold only one value, whereas a variable of the composite data type can hold multiple values of the scalar data type or the composite data type. There are two types of composite data type, that is PLSQL record and PLSQL collection. PLSQL record कौन? PLSQL record are used to treat related but dissimilar data as a logical unit. A PLSQL record can have variable of different types. For example, you can define a record to hold employee details. This involves storing an employee number as number, a first name and last name as var2, and so on. By creating a record to store employee details, you create a logical collective unit. This makes data access and manipulation easier. PLSQL collection कौन? Collection are used to treat data in a single unit. Collection are of three types, that is associative array, nested table, var array. Use composite data type, right? कारण हमें आप पूर्व जो scalar data type हमें जो पढ़े थे, it means कौन? जेता हम variable declare करूँ से variable भीतर at a time मु single value को indicate करूँ, यानी single value को store करते हैं. यदि सेम टाइम रे जदि मोर से वेरिएबल भीतर ऑलरेडी गोटे वैल्यू मोर स्टोर की अछि, न्यू वैल्यू जदि मु पास करछि से कोन करबो ता से पुराना वैल्यू को ओवरलूप कर दबो न्यू वैल्यू ऊपर. तो सेथि पई तमरो कंपोजिट डाटा टाइप डिक्लेयर कराला, कंपोजिट वेरिएबल तम डिक्लेयर कराला, जोथरे की गोटे टाइम रे त मल्टीपल वैल्यू गोटे वेरिएबल भीतर स्टोर कर पारे, राइट? तो सेथि पई तमरो दीटा टाइप रो तमरो डाटा टाइप तमरो अछि, गोटे होछि PLSQL record, आउट होछि PLSQL collection. PLSQL collection काहे की यूज करबा, PLSQL record काहे की यूज करबा, composite data type हमें काहे की यूज करबा ता विषय रे देखो. Why use composite data type? You have all the related data as a single unit. You can easily access and modify data. Data is easier to manage, relate and transport if it is composite. An analogy is having a single back for all your laptop components rather than a separate back for each component. Use PLSQL record when you want to store value of different data type, but only one occurrence at a time. Use PLSQL collection when you want to store value of the same data type. PLSQL record देखो एडी तार दला जेंदे हमर प्रीवियस थला एडी PLSQL collection, राइट? एटा होची रेकॉर्ड माने मु रो आकार रे ताकू स्टोर करि परिबो, सेइथिरे मोर बुलियन वैल्यू भी रहि परिबो, डेट एंड टाइम फॉर्मेट भी रहि परिबो, टेक्स्ट भी रहि परिबो, इमेज फॉर्मेट भी रहि परिबो. कलेक्शन फॉर्मेट रे मु लिस्ट आकार रे रखि परिबो, बुझला?
Yes, sir.
PLSQL record or collection, if both PLSQL record and PLSQL collection are composite type, how do you choose which one to use? You use PLSQL record when you want to store value of different data type that are logically related. For example, you can create PLSQL record to hold employee details and indicate that all the values stored are related because they provide information about a particular employee. Use PLSQL collection when you want to store value of the same data type. Note that this data type can also be of the composite type, such as records. You can define a collection to hold the first name of all employees. You may have stored n names in the collection. However, name 1 is not related to name 2. Then the relation between these name is only that are employees name. These collections are similar to array in programming language such as C and C, C++, and Java, right?
Yes, sir.
Use PLSQL record. Manipulating data with PLSQL record. Advantage of the percentile row type attribute. First, contain one or more components called fields of any scalar, record, and or index by table data type are similar to structure in most third generation languages, including C and C++. Are user defined and can be a subset of a row in a table. Treat a collection of field as a logical unit. Are convenient for fetching a row of data from a table for processing. A record is a group of related data items stored in fields, each with its own name and data type. Record can be assigned initial value and can be defined as not null. Field without initial values are initialized to null. The default keyword as well as equals can be used to initialize field. You can define record type and declare user-defined record in the declarative part of any block, subprogram, or package. You can declare and reference nested record. One record can be component of another record. Creating PLSQL record syntax is type, then type name is record, then field description identify type name, the field description, the field name, field type, variable, percentile type, pass syntax. PLSQL record are user-defined composite type. To use them, perform the following step. Define the record in the declarative section of a PLSQL block. The syntax of defining the record as shown in the slide. Declare any optionally initialize the initial component of this record type. In this syntax, type name is the name of the record type. This identifier is used to declare record. Field name is the name of a field within the record. Field type is the data type of the field. It is represent any PLSQL data type except reference cursor. You can use the percentile type and percentile row type attribute. Experiment expression if is the field type or an initial type. Then the not null constraint prevent assigning of null to the specified field. Be sure to initialize the not null field. PLSQL record structure. এটা আমি কালি স্টার্ট করব। বসি
ଆଜ୍ଞା
এটা কালি স্টার্ট করব 189
ହଁ ନୋଟ କରୁଥିଲି ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର
কোনটা
ନୋଟ କରୁଥିଲି।